Hello guys, hope you're doing well. And as always, if you're new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Today our operation is basically we have two matrices of the order of 3 by 3, and for those two matrices we have to perform matrix multiplication and we have to perform addition. And then we have another matrix which is shown to you as Ka. We have to take this unique matrix inverse and see what is the solution of this matrix. So we will start the process. First of all, if you have to look very carefully on the calculator, we will be basically performing multiplication for matrix A and matrix B. Okay, first of all you have to go to the mode, then you have to select the matrix 7, number 7. Now he will be asking which matrix you want to select. I will write matrix A. Now he is asking of the dimensions of the matrix. You will press this button and I will ask him to press number 2. When I do it, here it tells us the 3 by 3 matrix A. You can see the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can enter the values 1. You press the equal sign to get the next value. Then you press 3. Then you press 4. Then you press 5. Then you press 6. Then you press 7. You press 8. And you press 9. So all the values for the matrix A is being added. Now you can basically clear it off. But remember, the matrix is still there, the data is not missing. Now you have to go to the application, you can see, and now you have to go to number 2 for the data. I press number 2 and he will asking you which matrix you will select. I will write it as matrix B, so number 2, and again asking for the dimensions of the matrix. It will be again 2, 3 by 3, so I will select 2, and it will given you a 3 by 3 matrix. So these are the values 987, 654, 321. So I will write as 9, then press equal to sign, 8, then press 7, then press I have to press 6, then I have to press 5, 4, then I have to press 3, then I have to press 2, and then I have to press 1. So here I have pressed all of them. Now I can again clear it off, but the data relies in our memory. So again I will go to the application, and now basically we have to basically select what kind of matrices you want for the operation. I will write it as number 3. I will write number 3 for the matrix A, and I need to multiply. So I will again put the multiplication sign, and I will again go to the application and I will write number 4, and the matrix A and B you can see are being multiplied, and I will ask what is the data of the output, and here it is the output shown to you. You can see I have already calculated 30, then it is basically 24, 18, 84, 69, 54, 138, 114, and the last value is the 90 value. So this is being done. Now what I will do, I will again basically I can clear it off, and again I can ask for him to calculate A plus B for me. So I very easily I will again go to the application phase. I will press 3 for the matrix A, and I will basically go to add, and I go to the application phase. I press 4 and I basically ask him to calculate it, addition of these two 3 by 3 matrices. So these are the answers. You can see they're all answers are 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Very unique values are being added up. So this is how we perform multiplication and addition of these matrices. So we clear it off. Now you need to clear up all the data. So I will just write 1 and computation, everything is being cleared. And now you can see what is the next target of ours is to perform the inverse of this new matrix Ka inverse, whose coordinates are being given up to you over here. Okay, so let's start the process, and I will basically again go to the mode, and what I will do, I will select number 7, which are the matrices, and then what I will do, I will select 1, and if you look at it, we have to go down. We will select number 2, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, and now we will basically enter the data. It is 4, and then it is 5, 6, 2, 3, 7, 4, 8 1. So this data has been entered. I can basically clear it out, but it still resides in the memory. Okay, now we are interested in the inverse of this matrix as shown to you and see what is the answer. You go to application phase. I will select number 3 for the matrix A. Here I have selected it and I will press this button. You can see the inverse sign. I press it up and I ask him to calculate the data for me, and let's see, it has calculated all the data for me. The first value is being calculated as 0.9137, which is, I can write it above here, is very easily 0.910.9137, and I can see the second value as minus 0.741, minus 0.741. I can see the third value is minus 0.293, minus 0.293. Now let's go, and the fourth value is minus 0.448. It is minus 0.448. The fifth value is very clearly shown as 0.3448. 0.3448. What is the other value? 0.2758. 0.2758. Then the seventh value is minus 0.068. Minus 0.068. The eighth value is 0.2068. 0.2068. And last but not the least is minus 0.034. It is minus 0.034. Okay, so you have seen in this video of mine all the basic modes of operations for a 3 by 3 matrix has been shown to you on the calculator, and whose results are also being shown to you in the sequencing fashions. The A cross B solution is this, A plus B solution is this, and the inverse answer is being shown to you over here. This is our answer for KA inverse. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope this video helps you in your calculations of the matrices, especially when it comes to multiplication, addition, and very important way also is to calculate the inverse of the matrix through your calculator, so that you shall not be able to do mistakes in your exams or whatever research you are doing. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.